Hongqi N701. It is not just a normal car. It is a very special luxury limousine that was made only for the President of China, President Xi Jinping. Let me explain why this car is so important. This car costs around 250 million US dollars. Yes, you heard it right, $250 million. That is a huge amount of money for one single car. But the N701 is much more than just a luxury vehicle. It is like a moving safe house. It is a hidden strong room, and it is also a full command center, all in one place. Now think about this. During President Xi Jinping's recent official visit, even the President of the United States, Joe Biden, noticed this car. He looked at it and talked about how mysterious and how strong its safety features are. He compared it to his own car and said something like this: "It is like that Cadillac we have over there. The media follows me in those cars. People call that car the Beast." From the outside, the Hongqi N701 looks like any other normal black car you see on the road. It moves very smoothly through traffic. It does not look big or scary, but do not let the simple look fool you. This car is not ordinary at all. It is specially built to survive attacks. It can stop enemy drones from following it, and it stays connected all the time to China's military satellites. This means the president can always talk to his government and his army, no matter where he is in the world. Other countries have leader cars that look very big and strong and scary, but China chose a different way with the N701. This car tries to look completely normal so it can stay hidden in normal traffic. Under that simple outside look, it is actually a very strong fortress on wheels. Now let's talk about its protection. The armor of this car is a big secret. No one outside knows all the details, but experts believe it uses very light but super strong new materials. These materials are much better than normal heavy steel. Because of these materials, the car gets excellent protection, and it is still easy and smooth to drive. Inside the car, there is a very special cabin. This cabin can seal itself completely in just a few seconds. If there is any chemical attack or germ attack from outside, the cabin protects everyone inside. It has its own clean air supply, so people can breathe safely even in dangerous situations. The N701 also has very advanced technology to fight electronic attacks. It can block GPS signals so no one can track the car. It can stop hackers from getting into the systems, and it keeps every message and every call completely secret. No one can listen in. Even the tires are not normal. They have strong steel inside them. These tires do not get flat easily. The car can keep moving safely even after an attack, or if it drives over sharp objects like spikes on the road. Every single part of the Hongqi N701 is made with one goal: safety, strength, and full control. Because of all these things, this car is now considered one of the strongest and one of the most secret leader cars in the entire world. You must be wondering, why does one car cost so much money? Most of that huge money goes into its hidden safety systems. The car has top-level protection against hacking, against tracking, and against spying. All the communication inside the car uses very strong secret codes. This way, no one can ever listen to the president's important talks. The N701 works exactly like a moving command center. It stays connected to military satellites 24 hours a day. It gives the president real-time information and completely secure phone calls. Even if there is a big problem or emergency, he can still lead the country from inside the car. This car is not only about safety, it is also a very powerful symbol for China. It shows the whole world that China now can build its own advanced and very secure vehicles. China does not need to depend on other countries anymore for this kind of high-level technology. This is a big step for the country. Even President Biden showed a lot of interest in this mysterious and powerful car. He understood that China has created something truly special and very advanced. The N701 is not just a car for protection, it is also about national pride. It shows China's growing power and confidence in the world. When this car appears in big international events, everyone notices it. It sends a clear message that China is now operating at the highest level. In the future, we may see even smarter cars for world leaders. These cars might have new artificial intelligence systems or automatic drone protection. China is already pushing the limits of what is possible in car technology and security. So, the N701 is a perfect example of how far technology has come. It combines luxury, safety, secrecy, and national pride in one amazing vehicle. If you enjoyed this video and love luxury cars, celebrity luxury lifestyle, private jets, and expensive watches, please hit the subscribe button right now. Also, tap the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. We bring you the most amazing luxury and high-end lifestyle stories every week. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I really appreciate your time. If you have any questions about this car or want to know more, just write in the comments below. I will try to reply to as many as possible. See you in the next video. Stay safe and keep learning.